Welcome students. I am Deivarani, your EVS teacher. Today topic from farm to plate. This lesson aim is we will learn how rice is grown and how it comes to our plate. First, we study about the keywords. D-I-G, dig. SEEDLINGS, seedlings. SOIL, soil. RICEMILLS, rice mill. Now we see how rice reaches from the farm to our plate. We get rice from plants. It is grown in the farm by the farmer. First, the farmer dig the soil, then put the seeds in the soil. Seedlings grow from these seeds. What are the seedlings? The small plants called seedlings. Then the farmer collect the seedlings from the farm. Again, the farmer put the seedlings in the soil. Then water the plants and fertilizing. The plants grew tall and bear grains. The farmer cut the plants with grains. The grains are removed from plants, manual and help of machine. Brown covering of rice grain is removed in rice mill. Then they are packed and sent to markets for sale. We buy rice from market and cook them at home to eat. Do you know how do we store rice in our home? We store rice in dry and airtight container so that insects do not come. If rice is not stored in the airtight containers, insects will come and spoil the rice. Thank you.